simple steps for electrifying nails. Paint your nails white using ground-up griffin wings. Next, apply the ooze from a walking electric eel. They're super slow and easy to catch. I'm shocked at how good these look.
If you're still here, don't forget to like and subscribe.
This is my favorite part. Place the jewels of a unicorn at the base of each nail. Time for the magic word. Voterum! Make anyone fall in love with this nail spell. First, use pink from a mermaid's tail. Try not to get too wet. Looking good.
Noel has a crush on a boy named Gaston.
You weren't supposed to tell anyone.
Use crushed red roses to draw hearts on your nails.
The best technique is to apply 3 dots on your finger and then connect them. Keep up the great work. We're almost done. Add crystals from Tildar, the screaming imp. Perfect.
I really like your nails.
Thanks, Gaston.
Ooh. Let's paint our nails together. But what color should we paint them? Hi, Chatters. That's a great idea. But what color is a dinosaur? Oh, I know what color that is. It's green. That's so pretty. Can you think of anything else that's green? Oh, I know something else that's green. Cucumbers are green. Oh no, we almost forgot our favorite green thing. My friend Smiles the frog. Wow, look how pretty our nails look, and it's all thanks to you. Let's paint our nails together. But what color should we paint them? Hi, Chatters. That's a great idea. But what color is an apple? Oh, I know what color that is. It's red. That's so pretty. Do you know some other things that are red? Oh, I know something else that's red. Robins are red. Oh no, we almost forgot our favorite red thing. My hot cocoa machine. It's so pretty. Wow, look how pretty our nails look, and it's all thanks to you.
If you ever need to turn someone into a chicken, then this is a nail spell for you. But don't tell anyone because it's a secret. First, you're gonna need some white Yeti's milk. It's tricky to find, but it's worth it. Paint 2 half circles on your thumb and your pinky. Next, paint 1 half circle on your pointer finger. Now this is important. Paint 1 finger completely white. Then grab some yellow dragon's venom. Be careful to only add just a little bit.
Look, you made eggs.
Well, you can't have chickens without eggs. Paint a yellow half circle on your ring finger. A swoosh of crushed red roses. Now to bring our chickens to life.
Noel, where did you learn this spell from?
I learned it from Rostella the witch. She turned her mailman into a chicken so she could answer the age-old question, why did the chicken cross the road?
So why did the chicken cross the road?
To deliver the mail, I guess. We're almost done. All we have to say is the magical words, but be careful, this is a powerful spell. Chicken, chicken on my hand. Transform someone on my command.
Noel!
Oops. Sorry, Chatters. Be careful! Fire nails are hot! Start by painting your nails with red lava from the singing volcano of Corfu. Make sure you're using press-on nails, you don't want to burn yourself. Using liquid fairy gold, paint a flame on your nail.
Start by painting a lowercase t and 2 diagonal lines.
Then fill it in. Outline your flame with black melted iron from Thor's hammer. This part part's taking so long.
Stick with it. These nails are gonna be fire.
Nice pun. We're almost done. Now time for the magic word. Enciendo! Magical mist nails are simple to paint but very powerful.
What do?
They give you the ability to walk through walls. First, you're gonna need some light blue paint, preferably made from the tail hair of a unicorn.
Phoenix tears will work too.
Paint all of your nails in blue. Next, you're going to need a bit of E4 potion. You can usually haggle it from a leprechaun. But be on your toes, leprechauns can be very tricky. Dab tiny clouds on each one of your fingers.
It looks like the sky.
We're almost done. Now all we have to do is say the magical words. Paint my nails to look like mist. This is polish with a twist.
Let's paint our nails together. But what color should we paint them?
I have an idea.
Hi, Chatters.
My favorite color is orange.
Oh, I love orange, especially orange tigers. That's so pretty. Do you know what else is orange?
Oh, my favorite vegetable, carrots.
Autumn leaves turn orange too.
Yeah.
Butterflies are orange.
That's right.
Chatters, we almost forgot. Sarah the clownfish is orange. Hi, Sarah. Wow, look how pretty our nails look, and it's all thanks to you. Let's paint our nails together.
Noel! It's raining outside. What are we gonna do? It's so gloomy.
Let's paint our nails something that will brighten up our day, like rainbows. Did you know that no two people see the same rainbows? Rainbows are optical phenomenons, which means that the light hits everyone's eyes differently.
So every rainbow's unique.
That's true. Did you know that the word for rainbow in Latin means rainy arch?
They're so pretty. I wish they could last forever.
Me too. But cheer up because the longest rainbow lasted 9 whole hours.
Whoa. That's a lot of time to find a pot of gold.
Wow, look how pretty our rainbow nails look.
And look, the sun came back out.
Teleportation nails are lots of fun and easy to paint. You're gonna need some goobler sweat and a bit of troll spit. Paint every other nail. Use moonflower dew for your middle finger. Next, dab 4 dots on 3 of your fingers.
Oh, so pretty.
Perfect! Now put rhinestones on your middle finger. Telemorso! We did it!
Let's paint our nails together. But what color should we paint them?
I have an idea. Let's paint them yellow.
Oh, I love yellow, especially yellow ducks.
Oh, me too.
There are so many pretty yellow things. Do you know what else is yellow? Lemons are yellow.
Oh, that's right.
Bananas are yellow too.
Delicious.
I almost forgot. Look up, Chatters. The sun is yellow too.
Oh.
Our school bus is yellow too, and it's coming to pick us
Hi,
up for
everybody.
school. Wow, look how pretty our nails look, and it's all thanks to you. Let's paint our nails together. But what color should we paint them? Hi, Chatters. That's a great idea. But what color is a blueberry? Oh, I know what color that is. It's blue. That's so pretty. Do you know some other things that are blue? Oh, I know something else that's blue. My jeans are blue. Oh no! We almost forgot our favorite blue thing. blue bonnet flowers. Wow! Look how pretty our nails look, and it's all thanks to you!
This is how you paint super speed nails in a snap. Grab some dark blue from your mythical winter deer. Paint each finger blue. I recommend adding 2 coats of paint.
Like and subscribe.
Cover your nails in a clear coat of stone giant toe jam. Time to add a charm. I get mine from an interdimensional cat named Phineas Cuddles. Looking good. Saladitas.